These are the worked examples for the UK Intermediate Maths Challenge, or IMC, February 1999. So we're going to start with question 1. Which of these numbers is the biggest? Now, this is one of those questions where you need to check every answer. If you don't check every answer, then you don't know which one is the biggest. Some questions are like that. Lots of questions aren't, but some questions are like that. So the answers that we've got there are now, we know that anything to the power of 1 is going to be 1. So this one here is 1 multiplied by 9 to the power 9, which is just 9 to the power 9. A and B are both going to be less than 199 squared, because you're multiplying two numbers that are less than 199. So it's less than 199 squared, so they are less than. So therefore, they are both less than 199 to the power 9. So we are just looking at these here, which this is obviously less than 199 squared, and this one is obviously less than 999 squared. So therefore, the answer is this one, which is C.